Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to make screenshot files get automatically deleted after a particular set of time in Android. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Mark Auto Screenshot Deleter. And on the first list, you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will ask you some permissions. So allow all the permission. Just click on select. Now just select the screenshot folder. Just click on the respective device name and you can select the respective folder. I'll highly recommend to select the default screenshot folder, which is located under the DCIM folder, and you will see the screenshots folder. Just select the screenshot folder and click on this use this folder. Click on allow and just click on this allow again. Click on allow. Click on allow again. Now just turn on this mark option. Just move back. Click on allow again. Click on allow. Click on allow again. Click on allow all. Now your all settings are done. Now on the first option you will see the respective time, right? So just click on it. Now let me select here 1 minute value. You can put here. I'll select the minutes. You can select the hours, or you can select the respective days also. So I'll just select the minutes. Click on save changes. So I've given a schedule time for 1 minute, and below there are more options, and you can see here the scheduled screenshots will appear here, and below you can see the total number of screenshots deleted so far, and there are some additional features which you can check out by yourself. So once all your settings are done, let me take a screenshot. So you can see here one pop-up message showing up up to how much minute you want to keep it. So I'll just select the default 1 minute. So now you can see the screenshots. So let us wait for 1 minute. So finally you can see the respective screenshots is automatically get deleted after a particular set of time, which I have said earlier. So it's finally working. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make screenshot files get automatically deleted after a particular set of time in Android very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.